Hello everyone and welcome to this video. And this quick video I will show with you how you can connect Tapswap to Bybit easily. So guys, let's get started without waste any time. And the first step you need to do, guys, open your Tapswap application, and you find on the top corner, as you can see here, connect wallet. When you click on the connect wallet, you find the different option, as you can see here, and different wallet. Just select the Bybit, guys, wallet, and select Bybit, as you can see here. After that, you will redirect to your Bybit wallet and click connect and sign up if you don't have account, and you will connect easily. This is how you can do, guys. Just click connect. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and share for more content. This is how you can do, guys. You will connect easily, and see you on another video soon, guys. Keep watching. Any question, guys, type in the commenter and I will answer your question as soon as possible.